Hi, I'm Eric Johnsrud from Panasonic, and I'm here with Lady Ada.
Hi.
Where are we?
We're here at the Adafruit factory in downtown Manhattan. We have a pick-and-place line where we actually do in-house electronics assembly and manufacturing and testing. And we ship it around the world right here.
How did you become interested in Panasonic?
We've been using Panasonic components here at Adafruit for a really long time. I mean, they're famous for their capacitors and their batteries. And we always know that when we buy stuff from the Panasonic brand, we know it's reliable. I want the boards to work, I want the yield to be good, and that's why having reliable components is so key.
What role did Panasonic's GridI sensor play in your work?
The Panasonic GridI sensor we discovered a couple years ago. We saw this sensor that was 8x8, and I was like, 8x8 pixel is actually just enough to be able to detect shapes, what is happening on an area, where's the hot spot. So we were able to use it on microcontrollers, but also on single board computers. This is some new hardware that we've recently designed. It's called the Pi Badge. It's our new platform for edge machine learning and portable applications for like quick development, rapid prototyping. And on the back, you can plug in any one of our like 100+ feather wings. And it's got that GridI sensor right in the center here. And I can plug it into the back and then run Python code or JavaScript or C++. So the demo I have on here is called the thermal camera demo. And it's doing the interpolation computation right on the board, but it's so fast. You just plug it in and immediately you can see here is the 10 Hertz update rate. Here's what the data is going to look like when using the sensor.
From your perspective, what is Panasonic's role in this disruptive market as well as the makers market?
Panasonic's role is to be there as a reliable partner. As makers and engineers are designing the new inventions of tomorrow, they need to have a partner that can provide them with components that are good quality and have good lead times that you can actually buy. Having that reliability is so key if you're trying to branch into a new industry.